Now you can manage your payments for Emaar Pakistan online. Log on to emaar.paypro.com.pk. Register yourself on the PayPro payments portal. Select your tower from the drop-down list and enter your unit number. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and email address. Enter the OTP to proceed to the registration form, where you will see your registered information and your consumer code. Your consumer code is comprised of your tower number followed by your unit number. Confirm your password and click on Register to create your account. Log into your account to access the dashboard where you will see your payments history and pending bills. You have the option to download your invoices from Emaar's online payment portal. Expand the unpaid bill on your dashboard to view details and download your invoice by clicking on the Download Invoice button. The portal also allows you to split your bills or make partial payments of the total invoice amount. Click on Split Bill and enter the number of bills you want the original bill to split into. Or click on Pay Partially and enter the amount you want to pay of the total invoice amount. You can view the partial invoices on your dashboard and simply complete your payments by expanding each. Click on Pay Bill to make your payment. The portal also allows you to buy electricity units online. Once logged into the portal, click on Buy Electricity Units section from the top navigation bar. You can either enter the number of units or the amount you want to pay for the electricity units. Click on Generate to generate your new bill, which you can view on your dashboard. You can also view your statement breakdown on Emaar's online payment portal. Click on the Statement Breakdown section from the top navigation bar to view the total payments history and breakdown of your property installments to Emaar Pakistan. PayPro, digitizing Pakistan.